Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my results with the Fearless Momma 2.0 proof of results in the first week with this secret traffic source that I learned about in the mastermind group. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom of choices to do what you love. And if you want to learn more about those topics, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. The Fearless Momma 2.0 is a new product out, and it teaches you lead generation, traffic, and how to make sales in your business. People are making sales that have never made a commission ever in their life because of the way that this is set up. And I wanted to show you my results just in the first week. Okay, this product is created by Tammy Montgomery. She has been in the internet marketing industry for 10 years, full-time. She makes a full-time income. Just the other day, she had a $10,000 day. This woman absolutely knows how to train, how to teach, and you learn over the shoulder from her exactly what she's doing. She has a daily method of operation that she teaches people, and she said, my people make money because they know exactly what to do. So I used one of the traffic sources that she recommended inside the training. I purchased 300 clicks of a solo ad, and I got 117 leads, you can see right here. And I got one sale, which is $250. You can see right here. So it was profitable right from the start. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit more about the product. Once you come in, you can just use the training to generate leads for your business and learn how to market. But you can also become an affiliate and you earn 100% commissions. And I'm telling you, people are making $250 commissions right and left. Some people are making 3 a day. Income disclaimer doesn't mean that you will make money, but I'm just saying this is a high converting offer right now, and we have great traffic sources, and people are just really making sales. I think Tammy said she had 5 sales today of $250. And it's nothing that you can't do. She teaches you exactly how to do it. Once you come in, you set up your Stripe account. You can get paid within 2 days. And she shows you exactly how to make your first $250 in just 72 hours with this webinar right here. You do exactly what she says. People are getting results. Okay, and then another part of the training is Craigslist. She said that if you're not using classified ads to generate leads, you're really missing out. She makes high ticket sales with Craigslist leads. And then this part here is worth every penny of what you pay, which is $250 one time. There's no recurring billing. But every Monday you get access to Tammy. She loves to teach. She loves to be hands-on. And you're going to learn something new every week. You have a question and answer where she would answer any questions you may have. And then these will all be posted here. You can see she did three parts on solo ads. And that's where she generates leads just day after day after day. Sales day after day after day. And she teaches you exactly how to do that. Also classified ads and outsourcing secrets. And that's where she makes a lot of leads, a lot of sales as well. And then again, she teaches the daily method of operation, so you know exactly what you should do each and every day to make sales in your business. So I would highly recommend this product, and also being an affiliate, because you can again earn $250 commissions, and that adds up. You know, you can make that on a regular basis, I believe, with this product, because it is very high converting right now. So if you want to get started with the Fearless Momma 2.0, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video. And if you want to learn more about how to make money online, make sure you click the subscribe button. And with that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.